As a marketer, your job isn't finished when someone signs up for the newsletter. That's just the beginning. Start your relationship off on the right foot by sending a nice welcome email. You can easily automate this process in just a few steps. Go to the Automation tab in SendinBlue navigation and click on the Create a New Workflow button. Then, choose the Welcome Message option. You'll be shown a quick preview of the workflow template, followed by prompts to start setting up your workflow. Use the drop-down to find the list that you use for your newsletter. Next, choose the amount of time you want to wait before sending a new contact your welcome message. It's usually a good idea to keep this under a few minutes so customers receive your message while you're still top of mind. Otherwise, they might forget they've signed up at all. Once the timing is set, you just need to select the welcome email template that you want to send to your subscribers. From there, click Finish and your welcome email is ready to go.